Good morning, students. Next exercise 10.7, first order linear differential equations. First order linear differential equations. First order linear differential equation. This we are going to study. Linear means power is nothing but 1. X power 1, y power n, x power 1, y power 1 are linear differential equations. So, are we going to see this linear differential equations? So, first I am going to give you two types of linear differential equation. What is linear in y and another is linear in x. First one is linear in y and another one is linear in x. First I am going to teach you linear in y. Linear in y. This is the first method one, linear in y. Linear in y, the form, that is my formula will be dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This p and this q will be the function of p and q is a function the variable x. P and Q are functions in x, variable x. P and Q both will be in function in variable x. See, here y, here y. The P and Q will be function in variable x. Therefore, solution for linear in y. Solution for linear in y is nothing but y, e. Otherwise, I will place y, if. This if I will tell you what is my if. Y if is equal to integration of q if into dx plus c. The c is nothing but arbitrary constants. C is nothing but arbitrary constants. Y if integration of q if into dx plus c. If is nothing but integrating factor. This if formula is nothing but e integral of p into dx. E integral of p into dx is the if. So, solution y if is equal to q if into dx plus c. This is very must formula, where if is equal to e power of integration of p dx. E power of integration of p dx. So, this is linear in y. Next, if I am going to see linear in x, the form is nothing but just a reciprocal of dx by dy plus p. This y will become x is equal to q. Here, p and q are functions in y. Therefore, this p and this q will be functions in y, The p and q will be function in y. Therefore, what will be the solution? The solution is nothing but x if is equal to integration of q if dy plus c. Here dx no. So, I want to put dy plus c. Here if we know integrating factor e integration of p into dy. P into dy. So, p and q are functions of y. So, that will be only y variable, y into dy, some y variable into dy. So, this is linear in y, this is linear in x. Linear in y means the power of y is 1, that's all. Linear in y, this power should be 1, this power should be 1. Linear in x, the power x power 1, x power 1. Linear in y means power is 1. Linear in x means x power is 1. Y power is 1, x power is 1. So, we can enter inside a sum now. So, first sum, the first sum cos x dy by dx, not first subdivision, only the first sum. Cos x dy by dx plus y sin x is equal to 1. How are we going to do the sum? Very simple. Divide by cos x. So, dy by dx, because cos x cancel, plus divide by cos x. So what becomes sin x divided by cos x. This y, right, as it is 1 divided by cos x, 1 divided by cos x. So from this what you have learned, we can easily find sin x by cos x. We need into y is equal to 1 by cos because of division of cos x. So what is the next step will be dy by dx plus sin x by cos x we can write as tan x y. 1 by cos x we can write as secant x. So see what is the form? The form is nothing but what is the form? Dy by dx plus p y is equal to q. See this p and q should be the variable in x, dy by dx. Tan x, this is secant x. What is the variable? Variable is nothing but x. I told the first y, it's okay, y. Therefore surely this linear in y, power is 1. You can say that this linear x also, x power is 1, so no problem. But what is the form we occurred? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Py is equal to q. Suppose, sir, we can interchange, sir. We can make dx by dy, sir. If we going to make dx by dy, it will become dy by dx plus, if we going to take tan x, becomes cot x. Interchange of y, reciprocal of y is nothing but y. Secant x I can write as 1, secant x I can write as cos x. Reciprocal of 1 by secant x cos x, no. So if we go dx x, no problem only. But see here y is present, the main problem. The y is present down, so we can't able to use in this one. So dy by dx plus py equal to q. Now find the p. P is nothing but tan x. P is nothing but tan x. What is q? Q is equal to secant x. Both p and q are the function of variable x, so no problem. So next I need to find integrated factor if. If is equal to e integration of p dx. E integration of p. What is p here? Tan x. Tan x into dx. Tan x into dx. E integration of tan x. Integration of tan x is nothing but log secant x. Log secant x. This log, this e can be removed. E power log. E power log is nothing but 1. We can remove and write as secant x. You can remove e and log. You can write secant x. E and log can be removed. We can write secant x. Now we can write a solution. What is the solution for linear in y? Y if integration of q if into dx plus arbitrary constant c. What is y? Right, y as it is. If is nothing but secant x is equal to integration of q. Q is secant x. Once again if secant x into dx plus c. Therefore y secant x is equal to secant into secant is nothing but secant square x into dx plus c. Y secant x is equal to integration of secant square x nothing but tan x plus c. Therefore y is equal to secant x is equal to tan x plus c. But the back answer is not like this. So what you can able to do? Divide by secant x. If you go and divide by secant x cancel. Y divide by secant x. Tan x divided by secant x plus c divided by secant x. So what will be tan x divided by secant x? Tan x divided by secant x is nothing but tan x we can write sin x by cos x all divided by secant x I can write as cos x, 1 by cos x. So cos x cancel, the remaining is only sin x. So y is equal to tan x divided by secant x nothing but sin x. Next plus c 1 by secant x, we can write 1 by secant x nothing but the c nothing but cos x. So is the required equation.